frying pan, I combined the onions and the peppers, and I am going to also include some garlic. And now I'm adding in the hamburger. After sauteing the onions and peppers for a few minutes. And now I'm about ready to drain the hamburger. After I drained the hamburger, I placed the pan back on the stove and I cooked it for a few more minutes just to make sure everything was done and dry. I'm using pre-made sauce, Classico roasted garlic. I really like this sauce. It's really rich and it's very flavorful, and it really makes the dish taste a lot better. And after combining everything together, I am going to start adding in the cheese. I did use the Mexican Sargento cheese. So after adding the cheese, I am going to be placing a lid on the mixture and giving it more time to cook and marinate together. So I personally like a lot of cheese in my spaghetti, so you can see there is a lot in there. But if you don't like a lot of cheese, you might want to cut back on the amount of cheese that you put in the mixture. It's really depending on your flavor and what you like. And for some reason, I love linguini when it comes to spaghetti. So that's the pasta that I use for this dish. And the seasoning that I use for this dish. I use garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. And also I use some paprika. Here's my final dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next time, be blessed.